Welcome to the channel Success Squad. What if your WhatsApp messages appeared right in front of your eyes without touching your phone? What if you could control your devices just by moving your fingers in the air? Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, Meta is about to make this reality. This September at Meta Connect 2025, Mark Zuckerberg's company is set to launch a new kind of a smart glasses, not just stylish Ray-Bans, but with a built-in display right on the lens. This could be beginning of a new era of wearable technology. Meta already dipped its toes in wearable with the Ray-Ban Meta glasses, which allowed you to record, take calls and listen to music. But this time they are going one step further. Codenamed Hypernova. These glasses will project notification, messages and basic apps directly on to the bright lens. This means no more pulling out your phones every 5 minutes. The digital world is right there, blended with your vision. And the coolest part and the game changer part is, you won't need to touch the glasses at all. Meta is pairing them with a futuristic wristband called Ceres. It uses SEMG technology, basically reading the electrical signals in your muscle. Imagine twitching your fingers slightly and boom, you scroll, click or type in a thin air. It even has a haptic feedback, so you feel a click without pressing anything. This feels like Iron Man's Jarvis in real life, right? Now, here is the twist. Originally, experts thought that these glasses would cost around $1,300, but Meta has reportedly cut the price to around $800 and the wristband will come included. Why so cheap? You guys are confused, right? Because Meta knows this tech is experimental. They are not expecting millions of sale. In fact, report says Meta is aiming for just 150,000 to 2 lakh units in the first 2 years. So it's less about profit, more about testing the future market. But glass alone won't change the world, right? The real magic comes from the developers. Meta is preparing to launch a Smart Glasses SDK, a toolkit so app makers can build new experience for these glasses. Imagine navigation directly flows on the street, instant translation of signs in foreign languages, quick replying to text without touching your phone. This could come into the whole ecosystem of apps, just like the early days of iPhone's App Store. Think about it. First, computers sat on desk, then they are moved into our laptops, then into our pockets as smartphones, and now onto our faces. Meta is betting that the future of computing is wearable. Instead of looking down at your phone, you look straight ahead at the world with digital information layered on the top. But here is the big question. Will people actually wear them? Google Glasses failed years ago because it was bulky and expensive. Meta challenge is to make smart glasses look like cool and useful at the same time. If this experiment works, Meta could redefine how we interact with technology. And if it fails, it will still pave the way for next big leap in AR wearables. Either way, this Meta Glasses launch will be a milestone moment, one we will look back on years later as the start of something huge. So, what do you think? Are you ready to wear your notification, your maps, your apps right in front of your eyes? Or will smart glasses will be just another hover-eyed gadgets? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if you want to stay updated on the future of technology, don't forget to like this video, share it with your tech-loving friends and subscribe for more deep dives into tomorrow's invention. The future is closer than you think and it might be sitting right on your face. Thank you for watching.